Hey guys, this again me, this your boy Andrew, and day number 28 of daily speaking challenge English every single day until get fluency. Guys, I'm trying to practice speaking and a different random topics about this life just to improve myself and to record this on the camera to see progress in the future. Now I'm saying, so glad to see everyone. Really, thanks for being with me in this journey. In the next topic for talking is transportation. Yeah, it turns out in the IELTS exam there was such a topic about bicycles and just transportation, moving in the city, this kind of. All right, how popular is cycling in your hometown? Actually, cycling in my hometown, this is really popular, especially in my home village. I will prefer to talk about this because I'm more familiar with our lifestyle in the village, and especially in the warm season, in summer, for example, or in May, September, cycling, ride a bike. It's really a method of transportation. Especially, I wanna specify about children's, because in village, really every kid, I guess, has tried to cycling in his life. This is the most popular category of people who use cycling. Do people ride bicycles more for pleasure or to commute? Not to commute, actually, because everyone who lives in our village, their job is being in the city, so they has to go to the city by bus or by car. It's not possible. Actually, okay, it's possible, but it will take a long time to get to city by a bike, about maybe 2 or 3 hours. So that's only for pleasure. If you like make your own trips by bikes, why not go to a forest, for example, to a lake, or even go to other village, to our nearby villages. This is a really good practice and really often practice, even among us. When I was a teenager, we did it really often. What are the advantages of a bicycle compared to a car? The first thing what has come to my mind is protection the environment, now covering the environment, because the cars mostly emit harmful substances, and even it's not electric car, but in our village and city we don't have, I guess, electric car like Tesla. Bicycle obviously don't emit this kind of substance, and definitely advantage because you making practice like a sport. You need to do pedal, and it is instant. You train your legs, your muscles, and breathe fresh air. Yeah, in the car you don't breathe fresh air. Disadvantages, what can I emphasize? How often do you ride a bicycle? I haven't ridden a bicycle probably already a year, because in Moscow don't have a bicycle, and there is no needs to cycling here. But I used to do it much more often in the past. So right now, no, I don't ride bicycle at all. I wanna actually tell with you some experience about Moscow city, that in the streets this is really spread experience when you can ride electric bike, like a scooter, for pedestrians. In summer it is really popular, everyone uses it, everyone travel around the city, around the Moscow, and see some sightseeing, tourist attractions, and enjoy the city, enjoy this vibe moment, All right, this was a little talking about ride bicycles, about cycling. Share, guys, your experience riding bikes. Is it popular in your country? How often do you do it? And do you enjoy it or not? Or you hate bikes and you prefer to drive a car?